Here's how to install Zotero on your computer. First, go to zotero.org and click the download button. There are two parts you'll need to install, the main application and the browser connector. Zotero won't work without both pieces installed. The site is showing me the Windows version. If you are on a Mac, it will give you that version. Just click the download button, then save the installation file to your computer and install it just like you would any new program. Note that there are also versions for iOS and Android, but we won't cover those in this video. If you have Microsoft Word open in another window, close it before you run the installer, so Zotero can install the Word toolbar. Just click Next or OK if it indicates that you have an older version of Zotero already installed. The button may say Upgrade. Next, you'll need to install a connector. This is a browser extension that allows you to save references from your web browser to your Zotero library. Zotero works with Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Microsoft Edge. I'm on Chrome. Click the Install Connector button. The process will look a little different depending on what browser you're using, but basically you just click OK, Allow, or Add Extension when you see the prompts. You'll probably want to pin the connector to your browser toolbar so you can access the button more easily. That's it. You're set up and ready to use Zotero.